It is a stunning city, this.
The Marzocco, the original Marzocco, is a statue from the Donatello.
What the hell? This is scary. Today, it is time to leave Rome. Let's see if we can learn something today. It's gonna be interesting. My laptop got stolen. He said the least he could do was get me a new hard drive. That just shows that most people are really good and kind people. Alright, let's hit the highway. Alright.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced. Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Cutting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous. I've been steady sitting on my ass. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really I could probably try and be something greater. Get on my favorite, you could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego, scared is taking over. But fuck it if it's fun to run my tongue up on these road fronts. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah.
So, welcome back to Firenze. Here we can see the big Duomo again. I'm so cold now and I'm soaking wet. It's been pouring down for 5 hours now. And I don't think I could get more wet if I jumped in the ocean. But I'm finally here. I'm back in Florence. It is a stunning city, this. Just look at this thing from above. Wow. Ha. Not so many tourists at the viewpoint today. But now I have about a half an hour ride until I'm at the Marzocco Academy, the reason I came back here. In the last season, at the end of the last season, I did make a visit to the Marzocco Academy, but my microphones were not working. They did not record any audio. So when I came to Florence now, I sent an email to them asking if I could come for a visit again. And they didn't reply. But yesterday evening I got a reply saying I could come today at 2:30. So I got up early this morning to come here. My original plan was to go to San Marino, but I can still do that, I guess. I don't really know. I don't know anything about San Marino, but I do know I really love the Marzocco Academy. So the choice was simple. off. I can't see. I have to close the visor. I really like this city. This city is really nice. It's relatively big, but it doesn't feel like chaotic like Rome does. And it's a lot cleaner. The air smells better here. I'm so cold now. I'm wet all the way through and freezing. Tonight, I really don't want to camp. I need to find some place. When I looked at the prices, the cheapest thing I can find is €100 per night for a bed in a dorm. That's just insane. It shouldn't be legal to charge that much for a bed in a hostel. Oh, so a fire somewhere. This is such a strange graveyard in the middle of a roundabout. I wonder where it's burning now. You'd think the rain puts out the fire. So the academy is just outside of Firenze. La Lastra, I guess it's called here. This area above Firenze is beautiful. Look at these mountains and hills. And it's so lush and green everywhere. Wow. Ah, look at these clouds. It is pretty. I think here it is. It's supposed to be around the corner here. Ah. Yeah, here it is. Marzocco Academy. Huh. Where can I park? Well, today it's supposed to be open at least. Last time I was there it was closed. They just gave me a closed private tour, which was awesome, but there we are. So now I'm gonna go in and learn something about espresso machines. If you want to see what I'm up to here, you can check it out on the coffee channel. Ride the Coffee Bean. So I'll see you there, I guess.
As it was. And Piero has been our product designer since the early age of 16 years old. The last machine that he designed is the KB90 that was released in 2019. So you have to know that here in Florence we're very proud of being Florentine, and even the Bambi brothers were very proud of being Florentine. The Marzocco, the original Marzocco, is a statue from the Donatello. It's the lion, strength, with the shield, the fence, and the symbol of Florence, which is the lily. During the Medici period, whenever we were winning a battle or conquering a new city, we used to put this lion in the central square of the city conquered.
So this is the mud bar. It's under the counter espresso machine. So that's the espresso machine down there, and then everything is just clean on top of the desk.
And it recreates this, basically the atmosphere of a coffee farm in Costa Rica in this case. Now our banana trees need to be cut off probably because they're way too high to the sky. And these are all coffee. We already did, I think, 1 or 2 harvests of our coffee, but it's not the best speed that you can find around, but still we're very proud of it.
This has been a really fun experience. The La Marzocco is one of my favorite espresso machines, and you know that if you see a La Marzocco machine in a coffee shop, they have good coffee. You wouldn't buy a machine for 20,000 euro without really caring about coffee.
Well, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. Now, if you want to see more of this visit, let's start to ride the Coffee Bean, and you can learn a little bit about the history of La Marzocco. Very, very interesting. I booked an Airbnb about an hour and a half or 2 hours from Firenze, north of Firenze. That was the only cheap option that I could find, or cheapish option. It was almost 40 euro per night, but that's half of what the second cheapest option was. But I have to drive 2 hours to get there. As long as it's dry, I'm happy. These Klim gloves, I'm not really happy with. They are basically gone now. They're ruined. I can barely put my hand in them anymore. The whole insides are ruined, and you see the thumb here is broken. And they are just soaking wet. They're supposed to be waterproof. They have never been waterproof. Even the week after I got them, I got soaking wet inside. Gore-Tex is just made up. It's not waterproof. I have Gore-Tex shoes and clothes and gloves and whatever. Nothing is waterproof, even when it's brand new. Gore-Tex is a lie. Oh, this is so nice. Such a nice view. Let's see if I find this this place. It's in the middle of absolutely nowhere. And I didn't buy any food. I didn't think about that. I thought it was something nearby, but there isn't. So, no food for me tonight. What the hell? This is scary. I seriously can't see anything. Oh, fuck, a corner. Seriously, this is painful now. Oh, now I'm not in Toscana anymore. Huh. Oh, now I'm cold. Like, seriously. Now it's, I don't know, how many degrees is it? Now it's 9 degrees. 9 degrees is okay, but when it's wet like this, and I'm soaking wet all the way through, it gets very cold. And my gloves are soaking wet, so wet that I can't put my hands in them. And these gloves are just very thin, and so my fingers are freezing. Yes, it's part of the adventure, like everything else. The good and the bad. But days like this make you appreciate the good days even more. Oh, there's a little bit less fog. Okay, I think I'm here. Almost. I think here we are. One of these places. Is it here? I don't see a number anywhere. 41. Oh, is it up here? Maybe. There's no number anywhere. Trasineta 41. Supposed to be here somewhere, but 13. 126. The hell? 31. 31. 29, 31. I'm looking for 41. 10. That's 41. I think it's there. I just need to turn around. What the hell kind of place is this? Hello.
Are you alive?
Barely. It's cold.
Oh, yes. Are you all wet?
Yeah, I'm soaking wet all the way through.
Allora, follow me.
Okay. Huh. Okay, so this is where we're parking. Oh, the garage. Oh, that's nice. Ah, perfect. I can park inside?
Yes,
Huh?
leave empty this because there is another house.
Oh yeah. Like this? Whew. Wow.
So you are tired.
Yeah. I've been on the road since 7 this morning.
From where are you
From Rome.
Ah, yes. Was raining there?
Huh?
Was raining
Yeah, it was like this
in
too.
all street?
The whole country.
Mamma mia.
Well, this is a nice place. It's
Yeah.
beautiful surroundings.
Yeah, but today is a horrible day.
Yeah.
Take your stuff and
This is the breakfast hall. That's nice. So, this is my room for the night. That's pretty nice. Can't complain about this. And they even have a towel. Oh, that's nice.
Well, this has been an interesting day. Rome wasn't exactly what I wanted it to be. And today the weather wasn't exactly what I wanted it to be. But I had a really, really great visit at the Marzocco factory, or academy. So all in all, it's been a good day. But now I'm freezing cold and soaking wet all the way through. My pants are just soaking wet. So now I'm just gonna hop in the shower and get warm. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see what happens next. Like I said, I think I'm a bit tired of Italy now, so I'm thinking I'm gonna head towards Croatia as fast as possible. I'm staying here until tomorrow and then I'm getting back on the road. And we'll see what the weather is like. If it clears up, maybe we spend a bit more time in Italy. If not, then we just rush through. So yeah, tune in if you want to see what happens in Croatia. And I'll see you in the next episode. Peace. Huh. This is a pretty cool place. The lady who runs it just made me pasta. How awesome is that? And give me a bottle of wine. Not every day you get served pasta in Italy made by locals. Curious what this tastes. That's pretty good.